Hurricane Ada has us coming to you from our home office, so please excuse the background and lighting this week. I want to talk to you about passwords. They're evil. All right, we all forget them. Even those of us that manage applications for a living have struggled with them. But here's our secret. It's password managers, specifically LastPass. Let me show you how a password manager can help you manage your passwords, and then you'll never have to deal with lost passwords again.
To access LastPass, search LastPass. Click on lastpass.com. Now what you want to do is you want to go over to pricing. From pricing, you'll see the free version, and you want to get the free version of LastPass. Go ahead and create the account with the usual email, password, and then click on sign up. It's free. That'll create your account. Next, we want to install LastPass into your Chrome browser. So click on install. Go ahead and click on add to Chrome. And go ahead and load the Chrome LastPass. This will allow you to automatically generate passwords wherever you are. Now you just need to load up LastPass with your passwords. So let's try it out. Go ahead and click on the plus sign. Go ahead and click on password and enter a password. We're going to do Facebook. So we've entered the URL, the name, the username, and the site password. We're going to go ahead and save that. Now we're going to go to Facebook. So here you can see that all we have to do is click on the LastPass icon and our username and password are automatically loaded into Facebook. We're able to log in without ever having to remember our username or password again. All you have to do now is go ahead and pin LastPass to the top of your Chrome browser, and you'll be able to access passwords with the ease of a single click. Just go ahead and keep on clicking on that plus button, load all your passwords, and never worry about forgetting a password again. If you need any help, you know where to find us.